Hello, everyone, and welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss the short answer questions and solutions from Chapter 1, Our Environment. We will go through each question one by one in a simple and easy-to-understand manner. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Question A. What are the different components of the environment? Let's begin with our first question. The answer is as follows. Answer. The environment consists of two main components. The first is the natural environment, which includes both biotic components, such as plants and animals, and abiotic components, such as land, water, and air. The second is the human environment, which refers to the activities and creations of humans, including buildings, roads, and socioeconomic conditions.
Now that we have understood the components of the environment, let's move on to our next question. Question B. Why is lithosphere important? Let's see the answer. Answer. The lithosphere is important because it provides us with essential landforms such as mountains, plateaus, and plains. It is covered with a layer of soil that is necessary for plants and agriculture to thrive. It also serves as a massive and vital source of vegetal and mineral wealth. That was an important question. Now, let's continue with another one. Question C. Why is it important to study our surroundings? Let's understand the answer carefully. C. Studying our surroundings helps us understand the relationship between living organisms and their physical environment. This is known as ecology. It creates awareness of how heavily we depend on natural resources for our survival. It also helps us realize the impact of human activities on ecological balance and guides us to conserve the environment. With this concept clear, let's move ahead to the next question. Question D. What do you mean by hydrosphere? Write any 2 points of its importance. Let's find out the answer. Answer. The realm of water is referred to as the hydrosphere. It includes oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes. Its importance is as follows. First, it supports life by providing fresh water for domestic, agricultural, and industrial purposes. Second, ocean water regulates climate and also provides food.
Second, ocean water regulates climate and also provides food and important trade routes. Great. Now let's move on to another important question. Question E. What efforts must be made to protect the environment? Let's see what the answer says. Answer. We should ensure the judicious utilization of natural resources instead of exploiting them so that sustainable development can be achieved. We must maintain a proper balance between the natural environment and the human environment. We should also learn to live in harmony with nature and actively spread awareness about environmental conservation. These are important steps that help us protect our environment. Now, let's proceed to our final question. Question F. Define atmosphere. Why is it important? Let's understand the answer. Answer. The atmosphere is the layer of air held around the Earth by gravitational force, extending over 1,000 kilometers above the Earth's surface. The atmosphere is important because it contains the ozone layer, which protects us from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays. It is also responsible for regulating our daily weather and the Earth's climate through constant atmospheric changes. And with this, we have completed all the short answer questions and solutions from Chapter 1, Our Environment. If you still have any questions or doubts, feel free to ask them in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more
NCERT and Forever Publications social science videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.